everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you a review of Creator Alliance. So, some people say that they are scammers and they're forcibly removed from the company's register and dissolved typically due to non compliance with the legal systems. But unfortunately, that's what most people say, and after some verification done by me, they're true. But it does have some good features that you can use, but I don't recommend the app, such as it allows you to simply do teamwork and just simply allows companies to come up, just simply align together with each other. So, yeah, the short review is that people don't like the app as the Creator Alliance has some serious issues that are not what you want to say liked by the app users, and they say to not use the app. So I don't have my own opinion in this, and I'm just what you want to say telling you of what I verified. So yeah, thanks for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.